Remember those lobsters? Oh shit! Some kind of giant animal land. I didn't think about that. These guys get big again. Shit. Those are some crazy ass birds. We know that the author loves birds. So there's some crazy ass birds happening here. Shit. Man. These birds big as hell, man. Chomp. You're gonna feed my baby. Wait till these eggs hatch. Oh shit. Great. That's just fantastic. Nope, the dream was worse. So they're just torturing him, huh? They're having fun. Leave him alone, man. Goddamn. They suck. I know they're unintelligent animals, but damn, dude.